Hand. The hand manus is the most distal region of the upper limb. Its proximal border is circular line passing 1 cm proximal to the styloid process of ulna and radius. The hand is divided into subregions: carpus, regio, carpalis, anterior and posterior; metacarpus, regio, palmaris and dorsalis manus; and digiti manus. Carpus. The wrist is bounded by the above described line and the line immediately distal to the pisiform bone. Two vertical lines passing through the process styloid and the margins of the hand divided into anterior radiocarpalis anterior and posterior radiocarpalis posterior region. Radiocarpalis anterior. The skin in this region is very thin, smooth and devoid of hair. The tendons of flexor muscles produce longitudinal ridges continuing from the distal forearm. The superficial fascia contains very little fat and is fixed to the deep fascia, especially around pisiform bone. In the subcutaneous layer, there are small caliber venous vessels and the terminal branches of cutaneous nerves, antebrachial, medialis and lateralis, as well as palmar branches of median nerve and palmar branches of ulnar nerve. The deep fascia of the anterior carpal region is continuous with the antebrachial fascia. Here it is thickened by transverse fibrous strands which form a thick transverse band deep to the fascia and the flexor retinaculum to which it fuses. The latter represents a fibrous lamina stretched between pisiform bone and the hook of hamete, medially, and scaphoid tuberculum and trapezoid tuberculum, laterally. This retinaculum transforms sulcus carpi into carpal canal. Its radial end sends a thin fibrous septum inwards that inserts onto scaphoid bone, trapezium and the trapezoid bone, thus forming a narrow canal, radial carpal canal. This canal transmits the tendons of flexor carpi radialis muscle. Likewise, in the medial end of the flexor retinaculum, another canal, carpal ulnar canal. This canal transmits the ulnar nerve muscular bundle. In the anterior carpal region, the tendons of flexor muscles passes from the antebrachium to their terminal insertion on the wrist, hand and digits. The most superficial of these are the tendons of flexor carpi radialis muscle, palmaris longus muscle, which is missing here, and flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. The flexor carpi radialis tendon passes through radial canal, carpal canal. That of palmaris longus muscle lies on the anterior surface of the flexor retinaculum and it continues forms the aponeurosis palmaris. Finally, the tendon of flexor carpi ulnaris muscle inserts on pisiform bone. All the rest of the flexor muscle tendons passes through the carpal canal. Within the canal, the tendons of flexor digitorum superficialis muscle are most superficial. Deep to these are tendons of flexor digitorum profundus muscle and flexor pollicis longus muscle. The nerves and vessels of the anterior carpal region descend from the Regio antebrachial anterior. R3 radialis and vena radialis run in the distal segment of the radial sulcus. Having given off carpal palmar branches and palmar superficial branches, the artery courses posteriorly, passing under the tendon of abductor pollicis longus muscle and extensor pollicis brevis muscle and enters the anatomical snuff box. The ulnar nerve muscular bundle comprises of ulnar artery, ulnar veins, and palmar branches of ulnar nerve, runs in the carpal continuation of the ulnar sulcus. Here the artery gives off carpal branches, palmaris and dorsalis. They then enter the carpal canal, ulnar carpal canal, passes between pisiform bone and the hook of hemati, and immediately breaks into superficial and deep branches. In the proximal part of the region, nervus medianus, median nerve, is positioned between the tendons of flexor carpi radialis muscle and palmaris longus muscle. In the carpal canal, it shifts position to lie anterior to the flexor digitorum superficialis muscle tendon from the index finger, sticking to the posterior side of flexor retinaculum. Behind the muscle tendon at the floor of canalis carpi, there is an arterial network, rete carpale palmare, formed by palmar branches of the radial and the ulnar artery.